Hello, my name is Ehimari Louis Aigbefo. I'm doing this presentation as part of the requirement for CYB 610. Today we're going to be talking about passive reconnaissance as a pen tester. Carrying out reconnaissance for a pen tester is a must because it will enable such a pen tester to be able to carry out adequate investigation concerning the intended target. Knowing as much as one can about an intended target will enable a pen tester to be able to carry out an adequate plan which is workable and make it easier for him to be able to succeed. Therefore, before any pen tester embarks on carrying out an attack on a target, it's imperative that such a pen tester carry out reconnaissance. Today, we're going to looking at a reconnaissance carried out on one of the Fortune 500 company called McKesson. McKesson is a big player in the pharmaceutical industry. Using the domain of the organization, with the help of Maltego, I was able to draw out relevant information that will help any pen tester to be able to plan his or her attack. So looking at the reconnaissance I carried out using Maltego, I was able to discover several attack surfaces, such as IP addresses, telephone numbers of the organization, DNS information, as well as several of the organization's social media handle. I also was able to link the organization to some of its staff members with their relevant email address. So, in addition to carrying out this reconnaissance on McKesson, I also did carry out a reconnaissance on one of their C-suite members in the name of Nancy Flores. Nancy Flores is the CIO of the organization. So through Nancy Flores, I was also able to get several email addresses that belong to such organization, including several phone numbers attributed to Nancy Flores. You might want to know that in carrying out a spear phishing attack, an email address of a staff member of the organization is very relevant. Also, one can also use a relevant phone number that belongs to a member of the organization, because the spear phishing attack can also be sent out through SMS messages. Through Nancy Flores, I was also able to discover some IP address as well as the physical location in which she is based, because McKesson has many offices all over the world, but I was able to pinpoint Nancy Lawrence to their Texas office location. Therefore, in planning my spear phishing attack, I was able to drop an email which I sent to one of their public relation staff in the name of Matthew. I thinking the name of Matthew, posing as a CAN reporter who saw a negative information about the organization on Facebook and want to get a clarification from the media officer of McKesson. So, in that, I have to draft an email which I sent out to the media officer of McKesson with a link which I attached so that by the time the officer clicks on the link, his system will be infected with malicious attack, which has been disguised as a Facebook video. I feel this phishing attack might work because it's the responsibility of the public media officer to respond to defend the image of his organization. Therefore, Mr. Matthews will be interested in such allegation that portrays the organization in a negative light. So I was hoping that he will want to go through the video to see the allegation that was leveled against McKesson and want to respond. Thank you for listening.